I'm super excited to talk to you about our app.
The app empowers people to take control of their own journey whilst giving them the plans and systems they need to keep themselves on track and accountable. Members have access to their very own fitness hub where you'll find a countdown timer to your goal and access to your plans. Each workout is logged in the app with a step-by-step, easy-to-follow plan detailing reps, sets and rest periods. You'll be able to see your last session stats so you can throw away that tatty logbook and track your progress on a graph. Every time you record a set, you'll automatically start a rest timer that will count you down to your next set. You'll be able to track calories and macros and input your daily food so you can monitor your nutritional intake as you eat it. You'll have access to hundreds of exercise tutorials in the exercise library. They provide you with a guide on how to perform your exercises safely and effectively, and even include stretches to help keep you injury-free and moving. You'll be prompted to fill out daily and weekly check-in forms so you can keep an eye on your daily targets, your overall well-being, and keep yourself accountable. And you'll have access to the Vault with educational videos to give you the understanding to transform your life, make informed decisions and ensure sustainable results. If you think you could benefit from this service and want to know more, please drop me a message or follow the link in my bio and we'll get you set up. Thanks for listening and I'll speak to you soon.